With the increasing prices of RAM and the computer parts, the best way to save some money is to have your computer running as long as possible. Another day, another repair. Today we're working on this 2014 iMac. Although it's a 2014 and it's pretty old, this is still a remarkable computer. The reason why the client wants to keep it is because it's gorgeous to look at and it still sort of works fine. But it got a little bit slow. So the only thing that was worth investing in was the new hard drive. Usually iMacs, they come prepared with all the hard drives, but they are fairly easy to upgrade and we can use SSDs. The only thing that you have to be really careful with this type of computers is to take the screen out carefully. If I were to break the screen, a new replacement would cost me more than the computer itself. Reason being, the parts are very expensive and sometimes it's easier just to buy the entire unit online. When working on it, just make sure to have a very good adhesive because if we use something low quality, the screen can fall off. Also, the cool thing about this iMac is that it can run the latest softwares like Sonoma, and that allows many users to keep using their computers with the latest applications. So no need to change into a new computer anytime soon. If you happen to have an iMac and you wanted to get it updated, you can reach us. We will be happy to update it for you.